Hey guys, it's Alessia. Welcome back to another plant video. Today I am going to be doing another unboxing. I'm wearing the same shirt and the same hair as my last video just because they just rang the doorbell and I got this package. So this is honestly a PSA to not order plants from sketchy Thailand websites. Okay, I ordered this, I think, April 9th. It is a May 20th today. I ordered this on April 9th. It shipped out on April 20th. So this has been in the mail for a month. And you guys, it is a variegated Monstera deliciosa. It is a Thai Constellation. I was so excited about this. I saw it on the website and I was like, oh my gosh, it's only $35. It's not that much money if it does end up getting lost in the mail, which it is a lot of money. I don't know what I was thinking. I could have bought like a really cool plant with those $35, but now I will probably be unboxing a dead one. I will leave more information down below if you guys need it, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. Okay, after reading this, you guys, there's no plant in here. There's nothing in here. Honestly, I think I'm blushing right now, and I'm honestly like kind of worried. And it says, these violations may result in criminal or civil penalties. So, I might get charged. Something might happen to me because I ordered a plant on a sketchy Thailand website and I paid $35 for an empty box. That being said, don't order plants from the website that I'm gonna put down below. Don't do it. I ordered from there because I watched an unboxing video of somebody unboxing this plant and I figured it would be okay. I just went online, I ordered the plant, I didn't think anything of it. So yeah, I'm a little worried now, but PSA, I'm gonna say it 1,000 more times, I think, in all of the rest of my videos. Don't order plants from sketchy online websites. Just don't do it, avoid it, or you're gonna get an empty box and a letter saying that you've done something wrong. I know this was kind of a sad video, but I really want to get this information out there because I don't think that there's very much information on YouTube about this, and I've seen people unboxing plants from this website. So yeah, I think that's the end of the video. Again, I'm sorry, this was kind of a Debbie Downer video, but I hope you guys learned something from it. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a like down below. If you want to have a conversation about this, go ahead and comment. And if you like me, you can go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!